Hi guys, and today I'm going to show you that in case you have forgotten your WordPress admin account for the control panel, then what can be the simplest way to reset your password and to get access to your WordPress control panel. So let's say I'm having a WordPress website right now. At this moment, it is set up on my local machine. So what I need to do is to get to my uh, local host, and I have a website which is in the folder and the name which is in the folder under the name XYZ. And let's say I'm going to get to my WP admin. So let's say that you have forgotten your, okay, sorry, because I need to install, to start my XAMPP, and to get your XAMPP started, you have to have your XAMPP running to, you have to have your XAMPP running to get access to your site, your WordPress site, which is running on your local machine. So I'm starting my Apache and I'm starting my MySQL server. The moment I start this, I just minimize this thing and then I close this file. And here I'm going to the same folder which I have it, one of a website under the folder name XYZ, and I'm getting into the control panel of my website, my WordPress. So after some time, it takes little time, and it will take you to the control panel. Well, it is taking more than expected. Yes, here we go. So let's say that I have basically I have kept my login username admin and the password is also admin, and I can access my WordPress site. Now, and in case if you have forgotten your password, and then you are unable to get to your control panel of your website, so the easiest way is to get to your PHPMyAdmin, and that you can access through localhost. Get to the dashboard, click on PHPMyAdmin, and let this get open. Takes little time. Okay, so here is the database which is connected to my website, and this website is built locally on the local host on the same machine. Basically, we call this a development environment. So I click on this XYZ DB underscore WP. I have named it in such a way can that can be understood that yes, this is one of the database under the name XYZ, and it's a WordPress site running on it. It can be anything, as you like. Okay, so I will need to locate my table, and that is WP underscore users. So click on this and here we go to this record. If you see that my username is admin and my password is right now what it shows to me, okay, it is in a very different format actually. And now I'm going to tell you the reason that why it is in such a format actually. So basically what happens actually that your actual password is ciphered actually. So the password which you have set up for your admin control panel, it becomes hashed, and the database is saving that hash password. So what you need to do is to click on edit, and let's say I have forgotten this password, and I'm going to set up this password admin 2020. Now what you see right now here is that I have entered a password which is plain in this case, but I need to apply the same hash on it. To apply the same hash on it, I have to select MD5. MD5 stands for Message Digest. MD for M for message and D for digest. Basically, it's a hash algorithm, and when you just select that MD5, this admin 2020 will be changed into 32 character, or you can say it's a 32 byte ciphered will be applied, or encoding will be applied on this password. So let's say I click on go, and the moment I click on go, you can see that the same password is not remains the same, and it is changed to this value. Now this is basically admin 2020, but because a hashing algorithm which is MD5 is applied on it, and it is changed into this. Now at least what happened actually, that I know that what is the password which I have set up actually. And for example, if you want to know that how it looks like, so let me just take you to one of the site. I'm just saying MD5 generator, and when I click on MD5 generator, and I'm just going to generate a hash for the same password. So let's say if I'm typing admin 2020 and I'm going to click on generate, so this admin 2020 is now converted or encoded into this value. Now this value, if you match this value with this value, it is the same. So what we can see that when MD5 is applied to this type of a password, which is admin 2020, it converted or it is encoded into this value, and this value will remain the same for this password for if you apply the MD5 on it. Now keep it in mind, if you put a single dot as a password, it will MD5 will generate a 32 byte or a 32 character value, and that value is called the hash actually. Now what I can do, I'm not going to save this because it will be converted again into a this value will be converted again into a MD5, so don't save this one. Now just close it and come here and click on admin and type here admin 2020. If let me just show it to you. So I'm just typing admin and admin 2020 and click on login. So here we go. We are successfully into our control panel, and the reason why we are entering into the control panel because we have forgotten, and we have successfully fixed our password for admin password for the WordPress control panel from the PHPMyAdmin, and I have mentioned that to you how you can apply the MD5 hash on it as well. So that's all for today, and I'm going to save this.